Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your freelancing income with Stripe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your freelancing income using Stripe, start by signing up for a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a password to set up your account. Once registered, verify your email to activate your account. Next, log into your Stripe dashboard. Now, navigate to the Settings section in the left sidebar. In the settings, you'll need to fill out your business information. Make sure to include your business name, type, and address. Next, add your banking information to facilitate payments. Stripe will use this information to deposit your earnings. Once your account is set up, create a payment link. To do this, click on the Payments tab and then select Payment Links. Choose the product or service you want to sell and set the price. Customize the payment link with details such as a description and an image. After that, click Create Link to generate a unique URL. Share this link with clients through email or your website. If you prefer invoices, go to the Billing section. Click on Create Invoice and fill out the necessary details. Include client information, your services, and payment terms. Send the invoice directly through Stripe. Once the client pays, Stripe will notify you via email. While setting up, consider setting up recurring payments if you offer subscription-based services. To do this, click on Subscription in the Billing section. Create a pricing plan that suits your service offerings. Communicate these options effectively to your clients. Monitor your income using the Reports tab in your dashboard. Analyze your earnings and refine your strategies as needed. Explore additional Stripe features such as automatic charge reminders. Optimize your workflow by integrating Stripe with tools you already use, like invoicing software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.